We're out at the Tahoe-Donner area today, and we're going to take a nice mountain bike ride. We've got a guide that's going to take us on some new trails. It'll be myself, our guide Dave, and my nephew Eric. It's a beautiful day. We should have a great time. There's our guide Dave. He's going to lead us off on the first trail we'll be on, which is Rough Rider. Here's Eric in the red jersey in front of me. And this trail, Red Rider, is going to take us to Sundance. Here's our guide. We're looking at the map here, deciding which way to go. Finally, we get to a trail called the Mother Lode, and this is going to take us to the Hidden Gem, which is this long, almost mile long, they tell me, downhill, which we're on right now. This is fairly steep in areas, and you get to going at a pretty good speed. And you'll see a lot of the switchbacks here are very tight, and most of these switchbacks you don't want to miss because, as you can see in the video, the drop off some of these switchbacks is pretty severe. Here's a tight left-hand corner. You can see over the edge there. It's pretty good drop-off, and most of them are actually like that. Here's another one coming up. Right here is very, very tight right-hander. Pretty good drop.
I hate to ride back up this. What's that? Oh, I bet.
As we get to the bottom of this downhill, it gets pretty rocky, and there's some pretty good rock steps that we have to go over. There's one right there, and then it starts to level out.
break, take a drink anyway.
We then get ourselves on the last roundup trail, and then we go into the national forest on what's called the Eastern Perimeter Trail that we're on now. This is going to head us back to the shop.
Oh.
Here we come across a bridge with just a plank, and I let my front wheel go off the left side and I tip over. Here we are heading back toward the shop, and we had a great ride. No bad crashes, no injuries, that's what counts. And we went 13.7 miles, and we climbed 1,400 feet, and it took us about 2 hours and 40 minutes. That was a great ride.
That was great.